Welcome to Mrs. Pierson's space. Now, I know her team is XOXO, but we're not going to talk about hugs and kisses. We're going to talk about another XOXO, tic-tac-toe. Now, I will show you how to not ever lose a game again. But for that, we'll need to count the ways you can win per space. Now, in the corner spaces, you can win in 3 ways, which are this one, and this one. 2, 3. In these spaces, you can win in 2 ways, which are this one and this one. That's 2. And now, in the middle space, you can win in 4 different ways, which are this one, this one, this one, and this one. But by being the most valuable space doesn't always mean you should always start putting an X and an O in this. We'll show you that. So you should be thinking, then I should always start in the middle. But however, if you start in the corner, you can make your opponent make more mistakes. But that doesn't mean the middle is an important place, as we're about to find out. So, if your opponent's first move is anywhere but the center, you can guarantee a win by putting your second X in any corner that has a straight line through your first X. Now, you can put it there because this way is blocked, but you can put it here. And that should be your second move. So now, your opponent's next move is going to be here. At this point, you have already won the game. The only thing you have to do is to put your next X in any space that makes you have 2 possible ways to win. For instance, if I put my X in here, I will be able to win this way, or even more ways. So he will have to block, get with a circle over here, yeah, and I will be able to win. Remember that I said that the center was really important? Well, if you're playing second and your opponent starts in the corner, you should always play in the center. Because by doing this, you can guarantee to never lose a game. Because at this point, when he does his move, the only thing you will have to do is to block him. And by doing this, he will have to block you. And at this point, no one will win the game. Because when you do your move, he will have to block you, and you will block him, and that would be it. But what if your opponent starts in the center? That's a little bit trickier. We'll show you. Now, the concept with this is pretty much the same as the last one. Because if your opponent plays his X on the center, the only thing you will have to do is place your O on a corner. And at this point, you will only have to block his move. Because by doing that, he will have to block yours. And at this point, you will only need to fill the spaces. Because the match will keep going, and no one will win. And that is how you never lose a game of tic-tac-toe. Thank you for watching.